So hi everyone, here's the dashboard we created previously using the HR dataset. So we would follow the step by step now from the documentation to see how they created their own dashboard. So looking at it here, we have the procedure which we would follow. First, it required that we download the dataset, which we have done already. And here they said, depending on your browser, you might be asked what you want to do. So we've saved it already to our device. So next, we would continue to the tutorial in the documentation. So as I said earlier, we've done the upload of data. Now, remember you're a HR manager who was given a large project. You are leading a new training initiative for your entire global company. You know how the training budget is spent in your area of the company. However, you want to better understand where this money is invested in all areas of the company. So let's go to creating the dashboard. Now, we're asked to click on the open icon, new dashboard. So they picked the four paints template, which we're going to now. So this is our own dashboard. So let's go and take the four templates, four paint template, which is this we create. So the next thing they required from us is to add the data set to this dashboard so we can explore the data. So let's first of all name our dashboard. Let's call it HR expense dashboard tutorial. Save it under my content. So right here we have our source, which is a file which uploaded. Next, we're required, after getting our source, we've added our source. We'll now drag department to the top left pane. This is the top left pane. We'll drag department there until our blue square appears in the pane. Next, they said we should drag external hires to the canvas and drop it on top of department. So let's go and do those two steps. So department will drag to this on our blue box. We now drag external hires. So you can see when you're dropping it, you can have it showing as a complete blue box or as a line to the left. Let's drop it to the line to the left. So let's see where they put theirs. Okay. Here, theirs has become a column chart. So we would experiment. Let's see what from the table. Let's take the column chart. So the column chart shows external hires in some and department underneath. Let's see what they have here. Good. External hire in some department underneath. Now, let's change the visualization type. So click the white space in the column visualization away from the title. It will appears. So this is the white space here. So change the visualization icon and scroll to the pack bubble icon. So we're changing it from the column to the pack bubble. So this is the pack bubble. It has come up under the recommended visualization. So if you go to all visualizations and you do the alphabetical order MNOP, you have it here too as a pack bubble. So you can click on it on any of them, you get the same result. So our first pane has now become the department size by external hires. So the next, for the second visualization, using a single way to create visualization, we'll click on the tree map icon. So an empty tree map is created with empty fields on the side. indicating we need to add our data. So come to the let's follow instruction again. Click on the visualization icon, click on the tree map icon. Let's come, then we'll click on the tree map icon. So click on visualizations. Now we'll click on our tree map icon. T M N O P Q R S T tree map. So click on the tree map icon. So it has shown our fields where we need to drop our fields. We'll come back to instructions. An empty tree map is created, which has been done. From selected sources, we drag organization to the area hierarchy field. Organization to the area hierarchy field. So we take organization, drag it to the area hierarchy field. Secondly, we drag cost to the size field. Cost, we take it to the size field. You can see changes coming up. So we close the field pane for more room for visualization. So we can just tap on it to close it. You can see our visualization here. So it said let's hide the legend to have more room too for the tree map. So we hide our legend. We come to our properties, come to legend, show legend, return off legend. So we can see more room for this. Return off properties. Now taking a look at the visualization, you can see the size of each box in the tree map and tells us the amount of training that is spent by each organization. Note, we have two more panes that can create more visualizations and add widgets such as text or shapes. Let's add a filter to see the impact of the duration of courses on the visualizations. So we click the filters tab to open all tabs and this tab filters. So we come to filters, tap on it. You can see all tabs and these tabs. So from the selected sources pane, we drag course days, 1 minute. So we drag course days into the filter area. From selected sources first, we drag course days to this tab filter area. So course days to this tab filter area. So it said use a slider to enter a range of values from 1 to 125. To define the filter, click course days in the filter area. Drag it and effect is here. So now we move the slider to show course days with a shorter duration. For typing a new endpoint, we picked 14.5 as a midpoint, to feel free to select a different one. So we pick 14.5. Midpoint 14.5. 1 to 14.5. 1 to 14.5. 1 to 14.5. Next, we move the slider to show the courses with shorter duration. I'll type in any point done already. So let's go to on this tab. It also affects this pane also. Another way to filter data is to select one or more data points in a visualization and see the impact on the other visualizations. Click Finance in the Pack Bubble visualization. So you take a look at the tree map visualization. It doesn't contain the department column, so it is filtered by the finance department. So click on Finance. I need to filter our cost for organization hierarchy. Click on it again. Unfilters it. So we can save our dashboard and use the switcher in the app bar to close it. So for IBM Cognos, always remember to save your dashboard. And we save. So that's how we explore the tutorial for the HR manager on the Bookness Analytics dashboard. Thank you.